Hello students, so today we are going to discuss about the different ways by which we can demagnetize a permanent magnet such as a bar magnet. Now what we've studied in our previous module? Okay, so we've studied that a bar magnet is made up of atoms behaving as tiny magnets that are arranged in small units called domains, where each domain is like a box with a bar magnet inside it, and all of them are pointing in the same direction. And this is precisely what imparts a magnetic property to a magnet. Now, if we were to demagnetize this magnet, then what do you think should we do to this? Well, we have to figure out some ways so that these tiny domains, which are currently oriented in the same direction, they start pointing in some random directions. And once these domains, they will start pointing in some different directions, then the magnet will start losing its magnetic properties. And thus it will become demagnetized. Now, this realignment of these tiny domains inside the magnet into different directions, it can be done by heating it. So what do you think? What will happen if I heat this bar magnet now? Well, when this bar magnet, this permanent bar magnet, it is heated up above 80 degrees Celsius temperature, then each of these tiny bar magnets, they gain energy and they start to vibrate violently. And this vibratory motion of these tiny magnets, it disrupts the alignment of the domains, and the bar magnet in them no longer faces the same direction. Thus, heating a magnet, it results in a messy arrangement of these tiny magnets, and they start pointing in some different directions, which causes the magnet to lose its magnetism. Now we can also demagnetize the magnet by hitting it with a hard object such as a hammer. And how does that work? So when you hit the bar magnet with the hammer, then certain vibrations are induced on the magnet. And these vibrations, they change the orientation of these tiny bar magnets and they make them point in some random directions, which ultimately causes the magnet to lose its magnetic properties. Thus, we can say that hammering, it wrecks the orderly arrangement of the atoms inside the magnet. Similar is the case when you drop this bar magnet several times from a height. So when we drop it several times from a height, it disrupts the alignment of the domains, thus causing the magnet to lose its magnetic property. Awesome. So these are some of the ways by which you can demagnetize a permanent magnet such as a bar magnet. Now there can be many more methods by which we can demagnetize a magnet, and we will be studying about them in our higher classes.